Okay, this part just came in the mail today, and what it is a upper motor mount for the Ford Taurus, and I think it fits 2000 through 2007. It may fit the Mercury Sable also, but the problem that I'm having is a loud humming noise or rubbing noise coming from the motor when I'm driving down the road, and I'm thinking that this is the problem. So I was looking for cracks in it. I didn't see any cracks in it. But over a period of time, the motor mount, or this part right here, will move. It'll move upward while the metal part moves down on your frame right here, part right here, and it'll start making a loud noise, like a humming noise or a rubbing noise. So I got this, and this might be cracked inside of here. I don't know, I haven't pulled it off yet, but I have yet to do that. I'm going to pull it off here in just a minute. But I noticed right here that this new one right here is a lot different than that one right there. And I can see a difference right there. So I'll go ahead and pull this off and put this new one on here. In order to get this off, this takes a 13 millimeter. This also takes a 13 millimeter. Okay, and I got 13 millimeter on this side right here. And right here, I think it's a 15 millimeter. And I got to loosen this and drop this or pull this out. Then loosen this and pull this out of the way, and then break this. And the same thing with this, take this out before I can pull this thing out right here. So let me go ahead and do that. And I'll be right back. Okay, I got this bolt right here going. Right here. This slides out right here. Be careful not to lose this. This slides out right here, so I put it aside over here. Okay, this bolt right here comes out. Put it over there, and this one slides out right here. This bolt comes out right here, and it'll slide out. Put that bolt right over here next to that one right there. So this comes out like that. Actually, there you go. Slides out sideways. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay, you slide it down and it'll come out. So, okay, here it is right here. And I'm gonna compare it to the new one. And I can tell I got some rubbing going on right here. That's probably I'm hoping that's the noise that I'm hearing. It's a loud noise, and it's annoying. But this is pushed out from where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be farther out. But neither one of them are cracked. Here's the other one right here. Okay, I'll take this one over here and compare them. Okay, I got the new one and the old one. And this fell out just as soon as I took it loose right here. And it goes just like, kind of like that. Let's see if I can get in. Okay, but you can see from the back right here that this right here is even right here on both sides, and it's over to the right on this one, and that's not the way it's supposed to be. So it was kind of like in the middle right there, and most of the metal was on the frame, which could have been making that loud noise when I went down the road. So this popped out right here. Okay, this one is stationary, but this one popped out as soon as I took it off. Okay, it kind of goes like that. But anyway, I'm going to change it out. I don't know if it was rubbing on this side or not. Okay, I'm going to put this new one in. And I'm going to see how it's going to ride. Okay, I'm back. Here's the new one right here. So it slides down like this. Goes in from the bottom. See if I can get it in. It didn't go in from the top, it went in from the bottom. So I may just have to put the camera down in order to try to get it in there, but it comes in from the bottom. Okay, I got it in there, so what I do is I put this bolt in first, and I come over here and I put this back on like this, and get this other bolt over here, and it goes in from this other side over here. See if I can line it up. It goes right in through that little screw right there. So this has to line, just hit it just a little bit. Okay, it'll go through just like that. And it'll line up with the bolt right here. And it's going through right now. If you can see that. Okay, just like that. Okay, and you just tighten it from this side over here. Okay, same thing with this one. Try to line it up. So it's going down. So I got them lined up. So once I got it tightened up, I'll come back. Okay, there's a lot of noise in the background today. Okay, this nut right here, I just went ahead and put it back on here. I didn't really think I needed to take this one off. But I got this this bolt in. Here's the nut, went through. Same thing on this one. It's a 13 millimeter for both of them. So it just went right through. So all you have to do is just tighten it down like that. Okay. See if I can go ahead and get it tight. Go to this right here. Go ahead and tighten it down. And I notice I don't have any space like I did with the old one right down here. It doesn't have any space, so it won't be rubbing on the frame. So when I get everything back together, I'm going to give it a test drive and see how it's going to perform, and see if that's what the problem was, rather. Okay, so I almost have this one in. Two 13 millimeter bolts right here. Pretty easy to put on. And once I get this tightened down and get everything together, I can take it for a test drive. See how it's going to run. Let's see if that's what the problem was, rather. So I got both of them in. I just need to tighten this bolt in, this nut in right here, and I'll be finished.